Welcome to KNOWAGE Demo Overview. In this video I will briefly show you how to use KNOWAGE Online Demo. Let's start from the page you are actually in. Click on the left sidebar and open KNOWAGE menu. Go to the document browser. Here you can open different analyses, already built for you, such as reports, dashboards, KPI, maps, what if and OLAP. For example, this is an interactive cockpit realized for the Russia World Cup. As you can see, the filters on the right directly affect all the other elements of the cockpit. Thanks to the HTML widget, a YouTube video has been embedded. On the Demo Online section, instead, you find the Sandbox Cockpit. In the upper bar, you can enter the edit mode to edit all the widgets. In the lower bar, you find the different sheets that compose the analysis. The embedded video will guide you step by step during the creation of your own analysis. If you accidentally remove the video, don't be afraid, you can always find it on our YouTube channel. Through the purple button in the upper right corner, instead, you can manage cockpit settings. Edit the analysis, adding widgets from the already available dataset. Please refer to the embedded video to learn how to create widgets. Now, let's come back to the sidebar. You can access to the previous documents also from this menu. In the Workspace, you can have a look at the Sandbox Cockpit dataset. You can also add your own dataset, for example uploading a CSV file. Now, you can create a brand new cockpit starting from a white sheet. Okay, you are ready to start your experience. Enjoy performing analysis with KNOWAGE, but remember, demo refreshed every day at midnight, Central European Time. To create analyses to keep, download KNOWAGE Community Edition clicking the blue button on the demo homepage.